Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
There is a large area in Shantinagar which has been notified as, not notified, it has already come in the ODP, draft ODP 2030. In that also ODP there is a scam. When ODP 2026 has been notified and just implemented, it is supposed to be a 10-year planning. So तुम्ही आता ODP 2026 आयला, तातूनच lot of objections were put by the people. You have not addressed those objections. And suddenly 2030 kata 2030 cannot be. If it is 2016, 2026, it should be 2036. So you are aware probably elections are coming and want to make quick money from interested parties or real estate. तुमची कितें property zoning change करता, पैसे घेयात आमी हे घालता, and this is a scam. 2030 has to be 2036, not 2030. आणि हातून तुम्ही जी मिस्टेक केली 2012 पार्किंगाची ती दाखयल्या. So this is, we are going to go to the people, inform them these nefarious activities of this politician elected representative. And as of now, I hold the MLA of Dabolim who had done that, involved in that scam. He should tell his voters why he is doing this. And I also appeal to the MLA of Vasco, Mr. Carlos Almeida. Please save, these are your voters also. It is half Vasco, half Dabolim. Don't do these undemocratic things, anti-people things. You all are co-opted members in the MPDA. Immediately you should remove these areas from MPDA, from that parking. You all have to acquire land somewhere else. That is what is our demand.
Exactly issue.
See, I don't know how that issue gets linked to airport area. That area which was meant for airport parking was wrongly done, and that's how that acquisition was dropped. And it was given back to the private party. This is a long dead issue. If Goencho Avaaz wants to choose such dead issues, that shows how dead ideas they are roaming with. Get something latest, not something which is already buried long ago. I am really sad at such utterances from them. That shows their bankruptcy of thoughts and as well as issues.
Yeah, do you think they are creating issues because of elections are coming?
Obviously,